What if I told you the only thing you needed to make a juicy chicken like this was this bag right here? Check out how I make my roasted chicken. Save this recipe for your Easter menu. Grab your vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and onion, slather them down with some oil, and then use this seasoning right here, the Delta Dust. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Next, grab your chicken. Melt 1 stick of butter, and then grab this seasoning right here, the Dirty Bird Rub. 13 herbs and spices all in one bottle so that you don't have to go on an Easter egg hunt trying to find spices to season up your chicken. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. After you pour all that flavor over your bird, it's time to stuff it with some aromatics, some lemon, some sage, some thyme, some garlic. Don't forget the rosemary. Set that chicken to the side, grab a casserole dish, and then now it's time to grab that bag. Now, this isn't one of those bags from underneath your sink. This is an oven-safe bag specifically used for cooking. Put 1 tablespoon of flour in that bag, shake it all around, and then add your veggies. Next, lay your chicken right down on top. Any of that reserved butter, go ahead and pour it over your chicken, and then pour some chicken broth in the bag. Tie your bag into a knot. Make sure you cut a couple slits on top of the bag for some ventilation. Bake for 2 hours at 350. After your chicken has rested for 10 minutes, cut away the bag, and then dinner is served. Now, when I say this chicken is juicy and bussin', look how tender this is. Fall off the bone chicken. That drumstick just came right off the bone. Full recipe in the caption or go to the link in my bio.
That's good, shorty.